In today's digital age, social media has become an integral part of our lives. It has transformed the way we connect, communicate, and consume information. But did you know that social media can also be a powerful tool for businesses? By harnessing its potential, companies can unlock a world of opportunities and take their brand to new heights. In this article, we will explore 6 game-changing techniques that can revolutionize the way businesses use social media. Building strong relationships through engagement. The first technique revolves around building strong relationships with your audience through engagement. Social media platforms provide an excellent opportunity to interact directly with your customers and prospects. Responding to comments, messages, and reviews in a timely manner shows that you value their opinions and are committed to providing exceptional customer service. Furthermore, engaging with your audience helps create a sense of community around your brand. Encourage discussions by asking questions or running polls related to your industry or products, services. This not only boosts engagement but also provides valuable insights into consumer preferences. Creating compelling visual content. Visual content is king on social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest. Studies have shown that posts accompanied by eye-catching images or videos receive significantly higher engagement rates than text-only posts. To make the most impact with visual content, use high-quality images, invest in professional photography, or utilize stock photo websites. Incorporate video content. Videos are highly shareable and have the potential to go viral. Infographics. Present complex information in a visually appealing format for easy consumption. Leveraging influencer marketing. Influencer marketing is one of the most effective ways to reach new audiences on social media platforms while gaining credibility at the same time. Collaborating with influencers who align with your brand values allows you to tap into their loyal followers and expand your reach. When choosing influencers, consider their relevance to your industry, engagement rates, and authenticity. Micro-influencers with a smaller but highly engaged following can often provide more value than macro-influencers who have a larger but less engaged audience. Harnessing the power of user-generated content. User-generated content, UGC, refers to any content created by your customers or fans that showcases their experiences with your brand. This could be in the form of reviews, testimonials, photos, or videos. UGC is incredibly powerful as it acts as social proof for potential customers. It builds trust and credibility around your brand while also encouraging others to share their experiences. To leverage UGC effectively, encourage customers to tag you in their posts or use branded hashtags. Run contests or giveaways that encourage users to create content related to your brand. Repost user-generated content on your own social media channels with proper credit. Utilizing social listening for insights. Social listening involves monitoring conversations happening on social media platforms about topics relevant to your business. By using specialized tools and techniques, businesses can gain valuable insights into consumer sentiment, preferences, and pain points. These insights can inform various aspects of your business strategy such as product development, marketing campaigns, customer service improvements, and competitor analysis. Understanding what people are saying about you and staying ahead of trends allows you to make data-driven decisions that give you a competitive edge. Analyzing data for continuous improvement. Finally, analyzing data is crucial for measuring the success of your social media efforts and making informed decisions moving forward. Most major social media platforms offer analytics tools that provide valuable information such as engagement rates, reach demographics. By regularly reviewing these metrics, identify which types of content perform best. Determine optimal posting times. Understand audience demographics. You can refine strategies accordingly for maximum effectiveness. In conclusion, social media has transformed the way businesses connect with their audience and market their products, services. By implementing these game-changing techniques, companies can unlock a world of opportunities and take their brand to new heights. Building strong relationships through engagement, creating compelling visual content, leveraging influencer marketing and user-generated content, utilizing social listening for insights, and analyzing data for continuous improvement are all essential steps towards harnessing the true potential of social media in the business realm. So don't wait any longer, it's time to embrace the power of social media and propel your business forward.